On the track now, Twisted Sister 177 Fast and Greer. Sponsored by Greer Fisheries and hats off welding and machine work. Was out there yesterday. I do believe we have some prize money from the open yesterday. I'm going to go down and see them right now.